Tired of wasting money sending WhatsApp messages to the same contact multiple times? Today, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily remove duplicate numbers in Aisensy, ensuring your contact list is squeaky clean and your marketing campaigns are super efficient. Let's dive in. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts section. This is where all your contact information is stored. Look for the Remove Duplicates option, which is usually found in a drop-down menu or as a separate button within the Contacts section. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the progress of the duplicate number scan. Aisensy will automatically identify phone numbers that appear more than once in your contact list. This process might take a few moments, depending on the size of your contact list. Once the scan is complete, Aisensy will present you with a list of all the duplicate numbers and has found each duplicate will have a checkbox next to it. Review the list and select the checkboxes next to the duplicate numbers you want to remove. Make sure you don't accidentally select a contact you want to keep. After selecting the duplicates, click the Remove Selected button. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you are sure you want to remove the selected contacts. This is your last chance to double-check. Click Confirm, and Aisensy will remove the duplicate numbers from your contact list. You'll see a success message confirming the removal. And that's it. Your Aisensy contact list is now free of duplicate numbers. This ensures your WhatsApp marketing campaigns are targeted, efficient, and cost-effective. Keep your data clean, optimize your messaging, and save money with Aisensy. Be sure to check out our other Aisensy tips for even more ways to boost your WhatsApp marketing. #Aisensy tips, #data management.